So system history is a really, really cool report. Shows a lot of data, and it also, going back into trends, it gives you a picture of what's going on site. That way you can build QBRs, quarterly briefing reviews, annual briefing reviews, and really show your customer differentiation and how well you're doing for them and their business and their expenses. So here we've got a date range 7/31 to 1/07. Let's go ahead and generate a report here. So in green, that shows that something is within parameter, right? We also have yellow, orange, and red for coloration. So if you are outside of parameter, probably going to be in yellow, further outside in orange, and then where we don't want to see things is in red. So what you're seeing here is the softener would be the component. We have tests associated with that component here: chlorine, conductivity, filter delta P, inlet pressure, outlet pressure, hardness, etc. So when you are looking at the overall tests here and how they ended up, if I click on the 5 total, the percent outer range that are in red, it'll filter that for me. That way I can then dive deeper and get more granular. So filter delta P result, here's a 24, 1118. Remember that report? Let's go and check in on what caused that, right? What's the situation on the ground for that report? Then you can go directly into that report showing all details, all pictures, notifications, notes, etc. So when you're belly to belly with a customer, having this discussion, great way to do it and great way to be very informative. Now, we also allow you to create a PDF. That way you can also share this as a report. So here's all the details associated above, and here is your graph. Again, for the next part of the next component, reverse osmosis, all the associated tests. Here you have the pie chart for that, and on and on.